Ooh, new spot on the Little Miami River. New spot on the Little Miami River. Excited. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because welcome back. You're watching Cincy Fish Dudes. Got Neil, got Paul, and we're gonna hit up a brand new stretch of the Little Miami River we have never done before, and we are excited. We did about a half-hour traveling today to get here, and we talked to some locals, got the intel, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to take this on. So let's see what we can catch
on this episode of
got the new medium power 7-foot St. Croix rod today. I'm gonna give it a shot. Right to the left of that. Fish on. Yeah. Stagnant water. It's definitely spotted territory, spotted bass territory. All right, let's take a look. We got a spotted bass on a big Joshy, like half chartreuse, half bassy. We got that on the new Triumph rod. Look at that, Cincy Fish Blue. For a St. Croix rod, a blue rod, heck yeah. And that's on the Daiwa Legolas.
oh,
What'd you have there?
little spotted.
Cool. You know, this is probably the first wading morning I've done since spring that I've been a little chilly in the water. Temps are dropping. Leaves are slowly changing. Of course, we are into fall now. And, well, we're going after that fun fall bite. And although we only have one spotted on the board, and I'm thinking this might be a pressured area by the amount of trails and the easy access parking and all that kind of stuff. Ooh, that's a deep hole. But I know we're gonna catch some. We're gonna get some today. It's gonna be a great day. What are we looking at over here?
Small jaw.
Yes, sir. All right, we got a smallie on the board. Wow. Looks like we're both throwing Joshies. Shad.
Yeah, sand
Pink.
shad, I think.
Pink grapefruit. All right. Little point up there, little rocky point. Neil. Right underneath that tree. In the very shallow waters.
Cool.
Double up! Double up! Little baby smallies. Just passing through. All right, Neil. Spotted it and caught it. I don't upgrade.
It's an upgrade for me. Oh no! Edit that out, Paul.
Hey guys, if you know any smallmouth that are abused, please call this number and report that.
Paul.
He's hiding in there. He's like, he can't see me. Woo!
This is a very, oh hell yeah. Yes.
Nice. I'm putting on top water. And Neil's catching Little Miami River.
They pull so good for how small they are.
All right, nice. Little Miami River is looking like a creek.
Can you believe how narrow this is right here, Paul?
That's the Little Miami River right there.
This is the only path.
That's the Little Miami River. Yep. Okay, walking back to our car, we found this little thing here on this fence post. Looks like somebody handmade a little squirrel fishing pole. And just like us, he snags on structure. We got us a dam. Aloha Dam. If you haven't already, check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and the Fishbrain app. You can also subscribe and comment down below here at YouTube. Excited? Yeah. Look at all that structure up here too. Yay, big old dam fish. New species, largemouth. Woo! Ha! Finally, had to get it above the dam. Don't break the 7-foot rod, you just got it. All right, even the dam is not producing very well, but did manage to get this smallmouth here. We are just moving all over today, and I hate to say it, I hate to sound like a broken record, but we certainly need some rainfall.
All right, that's the smallie of the day right there. Say, not bad.
Hey, we're gonna call it a day, but we're gonna move on to a different spot. I'm gonna join up with some old high school friends and fish another leg of this. So follow me. Fish on. Got a smallmouth. That one is on the Strike King Rage Tail in white. Wow, just switch up your cadence. Fast, slow, medium, on the bottom, in the middle, and we'll figure out where they're hanging out. That one was in like 3 inches of water up there. Check it out. It's a dead channel catfish.
Why is he dead?
It's a good question.
He gave up.
Jason's on. What's he got over there?
Oh, I'm tangled. I think it's the same fish.
I got you.
Oh, no, this one's smaller.
Is that a rock bass or that's a rock bass?
You said just
none of the fish we have today you have to worry about.
Oh, you can just grab them.
Yeah.
They won't cut your.
No. Lip grabbers are good when the big boys are, because so if you have treble hooks, they don't shake them into your hands, you know. I'll show Shannon that when you're done. That's cool, man. Have you ever caught a rock bass before?
I think so.
Okay. They always have those cool red eyes. Hey, Shannon, check out his rock bass.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
You got those cool red eyes.
Hell yeah, dude.
Looks like Jason's on again. Man, talk about match the hatch. That big Joshy looks exactly like the bait fish swimming around here. Right there in the bridge.
Oh, I got some shit too.
All right. Oh, oh, oh. Fish on. Oh, we got a new species. So we got a rock bass, a smallmouth, and now we got a largemouth. 3 species on the board, 4 fish.
I like how you can tell before you get out of the water what it is. I mean, this is the biggest body of water yet.
She a big girl.
Let her go.
Oh, got one? Yeah. Nice.
Jason.
Oh, you kidding me?
You got it. That's yours.
That counts?
Good, it counts. You got it out of the water by you. All you did is not have to take it off the hook. Okay, we are in need of some serious rainfall. Wouldn't you say this thing is dried up?
Oh yeah.
This is dried up. So, you know, we got a couple bites with smallmouth, some largemouth, a couple spotted, a couple rock bass.
Yeah.
All right, I think we should move on to a new spot. So let's see where this video is going to take us. We'll be right back. Actually, let's just pick up where we left off next week. Thank you, Jason and Shannon, for joining me on that creek adventure. Although the days are beautiful, the nights are getting colder and the water is getting a bit more chillier. And the fish are starting to move into that fall transition where they're going to start feeding up for the winter. So make sure you grab your waders and grab a rod and get back out there. Let's do this, guys. See you next week.